Emebet Molla. I am from Ethiopia. I had a disc slide problem. I had pain, diagnosis and had treatment in my country. The pain was going around 3 months, but I didn't have any treatment in my country, successful treatment in my country. So I want to see abroad. Then I choose various hospitals in India, but I choose BLK Hospital. So I came here. Then I had surgery. The doctor, by Dr. Puneet Girdhar, they diagnosed me. Then I get surgery. Then I am good in health now. I'm okay. I'm feeling alright. I suffered previously, but now I am good. I can move. The surgery was successful. It takes only 1.5 hours. Then the next day, I was able to walk. Now I am okay. I'm feeling okay. The nurses, the doctors, the hospital, everybody was okay for me. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.